everyone. A warm welcome to the Deekshant IS YouTube platform. Under Prelims Pointers, we bring you important news from daily current affairs that are highly beneficial for the UPSC exam. Today again, we have selected some key points that will help in your preparation. So, let's get started. First number is black plastic. Black plastic, often made from recycled e-waste, may contain toxic chemicals like lead, mercury, and flame retardants. These can leach into food, especially when heated, posing health risks such as endocrine disruption and reproductive issues. Children are particularly vulnerable. Difficult to recycle, black plastic often ends up in landfills or incinerators, releasing harmful toxins. Growing concerns highlight the need for safer alternatives and stricter regulations. Second number is Bhitarkanika National Park. Bhitarkanika National Park in Odisha, spanning 672 km, is India's second-largest mangrove ecosystem. Fed by 4 rivers, it hosts diverse wildlife, including the largest congregation of saltwater crocodiles and Gahirmatha Beach, the world's largest olive ridley nesting site. Home to hyenas, boars, deer, and migratory birds, its early bird departures raise ecological concerns. Third number is Rs 24 Yars. The Rs 24 Yars, SS-29, is a Russian ICBM in service since 2010, with a range of up to 10,500 kilometers. This solid-fueled, 3-stage missile can be launched from silos or mobile platforms and carries up to 10 MIRVs with 300 kiloton warheads. Its advanced guidance and decoy deployment enhance defense evasion. Russia recently deployed autonomous launchers to strengthen its nuclear capabilities. Fourth number is Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea, the world's largest enclosed water body, spans 386,400 km between Asia and Europe. Fed by rivers like the Volga, it has varying salinity and no natural outflow. Bordered by 5 countries, it holds vast oil, gas, and caviar resources. However, declining water levels are raising ecological concerns. Fifth number is slender-billed gull. The slender-billed gull, a medium-sized seabird, was recently spotted at Chennai's Pallikarnai marshland. Native to the Mediterranean and Western Indian Ocean, it migrates to India's coasts and wetlands. Measuring up to 40 centimeters, it has a pale grey body, black-tipped wings, and a dark red bill. Feeding on fish, it hunts by diving. Listed as least concern by the IUCN, it remains widespread. Pallikarnai, a vital Ramsar wetland, connects 65 water bodies and serves as a flood buffer for Chennai. Sixth number is Spices Board of India. The Spices Board of India, established in 1987 under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, promotes cardamom development and the export of 52 spices. It bridges Indian exporters with global markets, ensures quality control, and conducts cardamom research. Currently, it collaborates with FSSAI to strengthen spice industry regulations. Seventh number is Kalakkad Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve. Kalakkad Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve, KMTR, in Tamil Nadu's Western Ghats is a biodiversity hotspot and source of 14 rivers. Spanning forests, grasslands, and woodlands, it hosts tigers, leopards, elephants, and rare primates. A post-monsoon wildlife census is underway to assess its rich biodiversity. Eighth number is selenium. Selenium is an essential trace mineral found in soil, water, and foods like seafood and Brazil nuts. Vital for thyroid function, DNA synthesis, and antioxidant defense, it is a key part of 25 selenoproteins. The RDA is 55 micrograms for adults, increasing during pregnancy and lactation. Recently, Excess selenium in wheat from Maharashtra's ration shops has been linked to hair loss in 279 individuals, raising health concerns. Thank you for watching. Do not forget like, comment, share.